Sleep is not a luxury, it is a fundamental human need. We often think diet and exercise are the only keys to health. This is not true. Sleep is a powerful, essential part of being healthy. Without enough good sleep, our bodies and minds cannot work well. Think of sleep as a vital nutrient. Just like food and water, we need sleep to live. It helps us stay strong and feel good every single day. Many people try to get by on less sleep. They think they can manage. They believe more waking hours mean more productivity. This is a dangerous mistake. Cutting back on sleep does not make you more efficient. It actually makes you less effective. Your brain slows down. Your body struggles to keep up. Over time, this lack of sleep can lead to serious problems. It affects your mood, your ability to learn, and your physical health. Imagine your body as a complex machine. Sleep is the time when this machine gets its maintenance. During sleep, important repair work happens. Cells are fixed, memories are sorted, energy is restored. Prioritizing sleep is like giving your body the best care possible. When you sleep, your body gets busy with important repair work. It is like a dedicated crew working through the night. This crew fixes damage from the day. Muscles that you used during exercise are repaired. Tiny tears in muscle fibers are mended. This helps your muscles grow stronger. Growth hormone is also released during deep sleep. This hormone is vital for growth in children. It is also important for repairing tissues in adults. Without this nightly repair, your body would wear out much faster. Your immune system also gets a powerful boost during sleep. While you rest, your immune system produces proteins called cytokines. Some of these cytokines help fight inflammation and infection. If you do not get enough sleep, your body makes fewer of these protective cytokines. This means your immune system is weaker. You might get sick more often. Sleep also plays a key role in keeping your heart healthy. During normal sleep, your blood pressure and heart rate go down. This gives your heart and blood vessels a chance to rest. Sleep is incredibly important for your brain. It is not just a period of inactivity. Your brain is actually very active during sleep. One of its main jobs is to process information from the day. It sorts through your experiences and memories. Important memories are strengthened and stored. Unimportant information might be cleared away. This process is crucial for learning. It helps you remember what you have learned. It also helps you make sense of new information more easily. Good sleep significantly improves your ability to concentrate and focus. When you are well rested, your attention span is longer. You can stay focused on tasks for extended periods. This makes you more productive at work or school. You are less likely to make mistakes. Problem-solving skills also get a boost from sleep. Your brain can think more clearly. It can come up with creative solutions more readily. When you do not get enough sleep, your brain suffers significantly. One of the first things to decline is your ability to pay attention. You might find it hard to concentrate in meetings. Reading a book can become a struggle. Your mind may wander easily. This lack of focus affects everything you do. It makes learning new things very difficult. It also increases the chance of errors in your work. Your reaction time slows down too. This can be dangerous, especially if you are driving or operating machinery. Sleep deprivation also severely impairs your memory. The process of forming new memories, called consolidation, happens largely during sleep. If you cut sleep short, your brain does not have enough time to properly store these memories. You might forget conversations you had. You might struggle to recall important facts or details. Decision-making skills also take a hit when you are tired. A sleep-deprived brain struggles with complex thinking. It finds it harder to weigh options carefully. Your judgment becomes clouded. Section 5. Sleepless nights, unhealthy days, chronic disease risks. Not getting enough sleep consistently over time is not just about feeling tired. It significantly increases your risk of developing serious chronic diseases. One major concern is cardiovascular disease. As mentioned, sleep allows your heart to rest. Chronic sleep deprivation keeps your blood pressure higher for longer. This strains your heart and blood vessels. Over years, this can contribute to hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Another significant risk linked to poor sleep is type 2 diabetes. Sleep plays a vital role in how your body processes glucose. Insufficient sleep can affect your body's sensitivity to insulin. When you are sleep deprived, your cells can become resistant to insulin. This means your blood sugar levels can rise. Over time, this can lead to the development of type 2 diabetes. Your immune system is also deeply affected by a lack of sleep. Section 6. Crafting your sleep sanctuary. The ideal sleep environment. Creating the right environment in your bedroom is key to getting good sleep. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Think about darkness. Darkness signals to your brain that it is time to produce melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that helps you sleep. Use blackout curtains if you have streetlights outside. Remove or cover any electronic devices that emit light. Even a small amount of light can disrupt your sleep quality. Make your room as dark as possible. Temperature is also very important for good sleep. Your body temperature naturally drops as you fall asleep. A cool room can help this process. The ideal temperature for sleeping is usually between 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. A room that is too hot or too cold can make it hard to fall asleep. Noise can be a major sleep disruptor. Even if you do not fully wake up, noises can pull you out of deep sleep. This reduces the restorative quality of your rest. Section 7. The ritual of rest. Building a soothing bedtime routine. A consistent bedtime routine can significantly improve your sleep. It signals to your body and mind that it is time to wind down. This preparation for sleep is very important. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's internal clock. A regular sleep schedule makes it easier to fall asleep. It also makes it easier to wake up feeling refreshed. About an hour before bed, start your wind-down activities. Dim the lights in your home. This helps to encourage melatonin production. Avoid stimulating activities like intense exercise or stressful work. Instead, choose calming activities. You could read a physical book, not on a screen. You could listen to quiet music. Taking a warm bath can also be very relaxing. The drop in body temperature after the bath can help you feel sleepy. Limit your exposure to screens before bed. This includes phones, tablets, computers, and televisions. Section 8. Lifestyle choices for dreamy nights, diet, exercise, and stress. What you eat and drink can have a big impact on your sleep. Avoid large, heavy meals close to bedtime. Digesting a big meal can make it uncomfortable to sleep. Spicy or acidic foods can cause heartburn, which can disrupt sleep. Be mindful of caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant. It can stay in your system for many hours. Avoid coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate in the late afternoon and evening. Alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, but it often leads to disrupted, poor quality sleep later in the night. Regular physical activity is great for sleep. Exercise can help you fall asleep faster. It can also increase the amount of deep sleep you get. However, the timing of your exercise matters. Try to finish vigorous workouts at least a few hours before bedtime. Exercising too close to bed can be stimulating for some people. Gentle activities like walking or stretching in the evening are usually fine. Managing stress is crucial for healthy sleep. Section 9. Your sleep, your lifeline. Prioritizing rest for a vibrant future. In our busy modern world, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice. We treat it like a debt we can always pay back later. But sleep is not like money. You cannot accumulate a large sleep debt and then pay it off in one go. Consistent, sufficient sleep is essential every single night. It is a fundamental pillar of health, just as important as eating well and exercising regularly. Understanding this is the first step towards a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. It is time to reclaim our sleep. Think of sleep as a daily appointment with your health. It is non-negotiable. It is a critical period of restoration and rejuvenation for both your body and your mind. The benefits are immense. Better mood, sharper focus, stronger immunity, and reduced risk of chronic diseases are all gifts of good sleep. By prioritizing sleep, you are investing in your future self. You are choosing to be healthier, happier, and more capable of facing life's challenges with energy and resilience. Making changes to improve your sleep might seem daunting at first, but even small adjustments can make a big difference. Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Make your bedroom a haven for sleep.